Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and we are looking at weekly chart of Nifty 50, the bellwether index for Indian stock market. So last week we had given a view that there was a possibility of some sell-off, but at the same time we said that there are multiple supports available at the lower level. So these lower weak points where my mouse is hovering, and those points were mentioned, and plus those Fibonacci levels were mentioned. And as you can see that last week the Nifty sell-off basically was stopped exactly at the Fibonacci level. So that's the power of Fibonacci levels, and many people follow it. Many possibly institutions also follow it. That's why there was such a huge buying that came in at that level, from where Nifty has recovered. Nifty, as a result, has formed something called hammer with a long lower wick as such. And as I have mentioned time and again in earlier videos, also, hammer has a potential of indicating rock solid support. And due to this, the bearish engulfing that we had seen during the past week is kind of getting neutralized. So, what lies in store for us if we combine these two strong patterns, that is bearish engulfing and hammer on weekly chart for Nifty? So, one thing is established that this 21,750 is good support. So, going forward, I think since we have election, we are likely to see consolidation around this level or minor pull up or pull back in this particular range. So 21,750 to around say around 22,500, which Nifty had found difficult to sustain. That would be the range that I will be looking at for Nifty to consolidate in, till the election is out of our way. So we're most likely to see choppy movement for the index. So there would be movement on both sides. So that is good for traders, but they are advised to use strict stop loss for long term buyers or investors. I think the levels like 21,750 from where it found support, and some other levels that are there in this zone, even the average, that's 22 or 20 week moving average, those levels can be looked at for buying into select stocks for long term, fundamentally sound stocks for the long term. So the uptrend, as you can see from this average, is still intact. It's very much intact, and buying on dip for investors will make sense for the coming few weeks. So that's the view. Now, how do we capitalize on this view from say trading perspective? So one can look at selling 21,700 kind of put if you are aggressive trader on option side. You can sell put spreads also if you are less aggressive compared to the people who trade just one option. Similarly, on the upside, since 22,500 was not broken convincingly earlier, so you can sell 22,500 call. That's one, or you can sell a call spread created by 22,500 call and say 22,750 call, or 2200 800 call. So those kind of spreads can be created for the month of March. So that's the view, and I think you are advised to be cautious for the near term. That's about it for this week. So if you like this kind of clear and crisp views, do subscribe to my channel. Do hit the notification button. If you have any queries, questions, then do comment on my video on YouTube, and I would be more than happy to respond to it. So that's about it for the time being, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks.